Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you and your family are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how I retouch my roots and refresh my hair color. So for this, you're going to need a mixing bowl, a hair dye brush, and to color my hair, I'm using the Iron cream color in 7RC, which is a medium copper blonde. And I'm going to use the Adore color French Cognac. Is it Cognac? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And then I'm going to use the 30 volume developer. I'm mixing the hair color and developer in a 1:2 ratio. So that means I'm using 2 ounces of hair color to 4 ounces of developer and just mix it really well. Then I'm going to use the Iron Absolute Perfection Booster. It repairs and helps to generate new bonds for stronger hair when you're coloring or lightening your hair. So it protects your hair, which is really good. You want all the protection you need. And this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my roots only, just to the undergrowth. I'm just showing you a close-up of what my hair looks like right now. I'm going to try to limit it to just your roots so that you don't overprocess the parts of your hair that have already been colored, to prevent damage. Once I applied it to all of my roots, I left it in for about 30 to 45 minutes and shampooed it out. And this is what my hair looks like. Now, as you can see, the roots of my hair are a little darker than the rest of my hair, but it's okay. It's virgin hair compared to the other parts of my hair that has been bleached. So to refresh my hair color, I'm going to use the Adore color, like I mentioned, and I'm mixing it with a conditioner. You can use any conditioner. This is the one I'm using in a 1:1 ratio. So I tried to put it in this applicator bottle, but it was too thick, so I just put it in a mixing bowl. As you can see, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to apply it to all of my hair. So I didn't record when I was applying it to my hair, but just apply it to your hair like you're applying conditioner all over your hair. And this is what it looks like after I've applied it to all of my hair. And I'm just going to let it sit for about 45 minutes. And this is what my hair looks like once I've shampooed all of that color off of my hair. As you can see, it's more vibrant, it's more rich. I really like the color. The Adore color is a semi-permanent dye, so it doesn't damage your hair. It's, it will wash off after a few shampoos, and it does bleed a little bit, but nothing too much. So you can apply it as much as you want because it doesn't damage the hair. Plus, you're mixing it with conditioner as well. And this is the final look once I've styled my hair, guys. I love the color. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you already know that I post some things related to fashion. So at the end of some of my YouTube videos, hair videos, I'm going to also post like an outfit of the day. And this is the outfit of the day. It's this beautiful multicolored dress. And if it gets a little chilly, you can also put on a jacket, as you can see here. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. All of the products I use for my hair color will be listed in the description box. If you guys want any other information, or if you have any questions, let me know. And I just want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving again. There is so much I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for my health, my family, my friends, and for you guys. Hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye.